Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free by earning website, and let's get started. This is the website that I share with you, and just right now I share with you the withdrawal proof from this website. I make much more withdrawal from this website, and total earning is this much I receive right now. I want to withdraw any cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, will pay you. Just I want to withdraw like shiba. Maybe this website pay me or not. Just I click the shiba, I just click withdraw. Okay. Okay, sorry, the minimum withdrawal for the shiba is 1000 satoshi, and other cryptocurrency I just click it, and this will be send you to your faucet pay. You can see 11 satoshi. This will be sending me to my faucet pay. For the shiba coin, the minimum withdrawal amount is 1000 satoshi, and you can earn other cryptocurrency no minimum. You can see this is all pay you instantly to your faucet pay. Just put your email address of the faucet pay. This will be pay you instantly to your faucet pay. I claim my satoshi. Just I wait to, and now you can see I earned 10 BTC from that website. This website send me instantly to my faucet pay. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. You can see I have two withdrawal. One withdrawal to pay me instantly to my coinbase for like shiba. The next one is a BTC, bitcoin. And this website link available in description. You can earn much more ways from this website, and you can easily make 1000 and 2000 coin from this website, and you can easily make withdrawal like a shiba coin from this website. Okay, and this website link available in description. Bye bye for now.